Drones have evolved quickly in the past few years. But lately we re-entering a new era. Instead of stuffing them with every feature known to man, manufacturers are building them with features and specs that target a particular type of use, like racing, FPV, or filmmaking. The Hover Camera Passport from 00 Robotics is a prime example of this trend. Instead of being a jack of all trades, this drone is built specifically for taking selfies and follow footage, so we took it out for a couple weeks of selfieing to see how it stacks up against some of the more full-featured drones on the market. The single most significant feature on the Passport is definitely its foldable design. I'll delve into the nitty-gritty in a moment, but for now I'll just say that this is one of the most portable drones we've ever encountered. And that's no accident. It's intentionally built to fit inside a backpack or purse, so it's always with you whenever you need it. XA0 Hover Camera Passport has one of the most brilliant designs we've ever seen on a drone. The drone is also equipped with a pretty decent little camera. It shoots video in 4K, stills at 13 megapixels, and even has a built-in flash. But believe it or not, the camera itself isn't as interesting as what's behind it. The Passport stands apart from other portable drones thanks to image recognition software, which, along with a quad-core Snapdragon processor, allows the drone to not only sense, track faces and bodies, but also maintain its position in space without the aid of GPS. Finally, to round out the package, the Passport comes with a suite of autonomous flying, filming modes. In addition to standard ones like Orbit and Follow, it has a 360 panorama function you can activate with the touch of a button, as well as a thing called Beast Mode, which lets you turn off the drone's software-imposed motor limitations for those times when you need to follow really fast objects. Hover Camera Passport has one of the most brilliant designs we've ever seen on a drone. As you might have guessed from the name, it's designed to fold up like a book when you're not flying. There's a slim spine that houses all the machine's electronics, and a pair of enclosed propellers under the spine that swing out like pages when all closed.